now with my student Dharmik Raval, who is studying Management and Technology from TUM. He's studying his bachelor's here.
Coming to Germany, being fluent in English, I think I got myself a pretty good experience, and then I was a bit introvert. Now I think I pop out myself everyone.
So what exactly is now in demand? Just going for the core thing, that is technology, or it is a combination what you are doing right now?
I mean, if you are aiming for positions which involve a certain aspects of,
Dharmik, how you were feeling when you got into your dream university, that is TUM?
that is one of the interesting stories I have in my life actually.
Because I select the students particularly and I know कि ये student इस university में 110% हो ही जाएगा. You will definitely get a very good support from our community. So it is just not that the application or making the visa application or you just coming here. It is about the community what Amrit Palo Vision is having now. Hello everyone, so I am in Munich right now with my student Dharmik Raval, who is studying Management and Technology from TUM. He's studying his bachelor's here, and this is the most renowned famous programs among the bachelor students who wants to study this program. So Dharmik, what do you want to tell to the students? How exactly is the program Management and Technology, and what is now the scope in the upcoming years?
First of all, I would say that coming to TUM is actually an prestigious offer. You come from here, and I would say that never miss an opportunity if you're coming for Germany. Always aim for TUM or LMU in Munich. Munich is kind of financial capital, ecosystem, startup ecosystem. And talking about my program, Management and Technology, I think it's one of the best combinations of finance, business management, along with the technical specialization you need, such as computer science, IT, and especially the well-known AI.
Right.
And I would say that being in TUM and being with this program gives an edge compared to other universities and other students, that you get a combination of certain business and management programs, especially along with I would say that technical exploratory such as computer science. And I'm also having a work student position at SAP, and being an TUM student and especially Management and Technology program helped me a lot. And I think I have planned already a good future ahead of me. And I think that it's going to help me build a good future in Germany. And I look forward for my years in Germany.
Wow, that's great. So what specialization you are going for?
So like, if you want to do a full English specialization, you need to do computer science. And if you are well proficient in German, you can opt for mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, as well as one of the good fields which I would say is medical engineering. And that involves pretty much good level of pro-German. But the computer science specialization involves 100% English fluency. And since I'm doing English, computer science engineering, I would recommend if you are not willing to do something in German, this is one of the good options. You have it at TUM.
Okay. So what exactly is now in demand? Just going for the core thing, that is technology, or it is a combination what you are doing right now?
I mean, if you are aiming for positions which involve a certain aspects of business management profiles as well as technology, I think this is one of the good and the newest programs catered into TUM's university catalog. And it helps you being flexible, I guess, because you can either choose go into full flexibility of business management, or either you can switch a bit into technology management such as project management leader, and something into, if you want to go in full in finance, if you want to go into, like, it opens a few open possibilities and you can play along with your career.
Okay, because most of the students are generally asking me that for the bachelor's, do they need to select mechatronics maybe or business and engineering? So
I think the course itself is pretty explanatory. 70% you are going to study business and management modules, and only 30% you're going to choose the tech portion. So I think you're going to be a business and financial major along with a person who has a bit good compatibility with the technical major.
wow, that's great. So since you are studying in English program, how good is the German language?
I think that once you come to Germany, you pick up a pace, you know the culture, you surround yourself with German friends, and there's an instinct coming from within that you want to learn German because you want to integrate yourself But I think that Germany is one of the place which is leading towards globalization. Top 500 companies running through. English is one of the most common business language. But I think being fluent in German gives you an aspect open to the locals. It certainly gives you an edge when it comes to colleagues. And I would think that it's okay, you come for English program, but try to have as much as German knowledge. Come here and try to mix into the culture.
Wow, that's great. So how you are feeling now that you, like we people are here to see you particularly?
I mean, it's great, and I'm complaining that you should spend a night with us. It's great. It's been 3 years since I've consulted with ma'am, and I'm personally a student of ma'am, and I think that it's great connecting with them, and I'm so happy that she's here, that she can witness my achievements and my progress throughout the level. And I think I'm one of the good, proudest students of Amritpal Vision.
Exactly, you are. Exactly, you are. And whenever I have any doubts, particularly in Nick, and particularly for management technology, I just call up Dharmik, and most probably he explains me everything, and then I pass on the same message to the students who are having this kind of information. I'm very happy that you got your WEC student, like the student job, particularly in SAP, that is like top 500 companies may one of the best one.
That's what that is one of the good compliments I always get along. And I'm happy to help the Amritpal Vision ecosystem whatever I can, because whatever I have received, I think I should forward it to someone, and I'm happy to be a part of it, and I'm happy to be the part of the family, I guess.
Thank you, thank you. What is the last message to the students you wanted to give who are planning to come to Germany?
I think I would give that, don't worry, it's a new country, it's a new language, it's a new state. But whenever you are determined, or when you have a good aim, and please follow through your consistency. There's gonna be struggles, there's gonna be wins, there's gonna be losses, but please stay focused. And the most important thing is never have false advice than have no advice. I would say that good advice is something that you need at the beginning of your career. So I would recommend that you consult with the experts, such as ma'am being here, that they can aim you towards your path. And that's what I would say, that a good beginning is the most important thing you want to have in German, rather than having a bad beginning, I would say.
Right. So earlier you were having a perception of not having a consultant, and then you contacted Amritpal Vision. So how was that? What exactly is that?
That's one of the finest questions you would ask me today, because I thought that consultancy, because we have this perception that consultants are no much than the money beggars you have, that they want to scam you and get into their favorite colleges and universities. But I think that Amritpal Vision was much more clear that, okay, Dharmik, we respect your choices and we agree with your choices, and we are just here to support you through the choices.
Exactly.
We don't wanna impose any choice on you that this is our commission agent or something. Amritpal doesn't have anything. It relies on true valuation and true advice of the universities. And I thought that's what more attracted me, that okay, I can opt for this consultancy instead of doing independently. And now here I am, after so much of long journey, I'm finally into TUM, having best of my education journey, having best of my what you could say professional journey, and that's the best thing I could have hoped for.
Right. And it is always a very good chance to meet our students who are so motivated and who are also enthusiastic to meet us every time. And whenever I call Dharmik, I never think that the call was not picked up, and if it is, and then again next minute mein Dharmik ka to call aa hi jata tha. So this kind of motivation is definitely required when you are coming to Germany, and being a student with Technical University of Munich requires this networking and more skillful opportunities for the students.
Yeah, that's what I would think, that she is kind of a family member to me. I strongly, I'm always grateful for her, and I think that what happens, it happens.
Dharmik, how you were feeling when you got into your dream university, that is TUM?
That is one of the interesting stories I have in my life, actually. So you know what? We had certain hopes that, looking at my profile, she was very confident.
Exactly.
Even I was confident that I could get myself into TUM. And after the interview, I said, ma'am, this was one of my best interviews. And we waited for 2 days, I guess. And after 2 days, I think we got the rejection letter. And to my surprise, she was more disappointed than me, myself. That, Dharmik is one of my best students. How?
Exactly. That was my question, that because I select the students particularly and I know कि ये student इस university में 110% हो ही जाएगा. And for that, I was disappointed कि exactly हुआ क्या.
Yeah.
So then we got to know that one question was.
Yeah, and the next day I visited her. She was like, ma'am, you know what, I'm disappointed. She's like, Dharmik, I'm disappointed more than you, but it's okay. It's a failure, but it's just a progress. And we can concentrate on the other universities. And luckily, I did not know that she had already applied for 5 backup universities, which I had no clue because I was so fixated on TUM. And she had given me 5 backup responses, and she was like, the best option is TUHH, Hamburg, one of the good universities, a great city, I would guess. I spent my 1 year in that and I love that city. So she's like, go there, have an international experience. If you don't like the program, we could come again back to TUM. You can spend your year, have German experience, build on your German skills, integrate into German culture. And that was like, yeah, ma'am, this sounds great. So let's go to TUHH.
Yeah, because you were already in your 3rd semester of your bachelor's. And then again, waiting for 1 year was definitely not a good idea. Then तब तक तो आपका almost bachelor's ही complete हो गया होता फिर.
I mean, yeah, it was one of the best decisions I could have taken. Coming to Germany, learn about German culture, learn about German language, and then after 1 year, finally we made it. We were in TUM, and that was the happiest news I could have possibly imagined. And then we were in TUM, and now I'm currently in my 4th semester, looking forward for my graduation next year. I'm already having a work student position at SAP, one of the biggest companies in Germany one could ever imagine.
Correct. And to be very frank, so from India, say what level have you done of German language?
I've never done a German course.
And now if you listen his German, it is amazing, and nobody can recognize that he has not done his B2 and C1. So yes, he's having now very fluency in German language also.
Ja, natürlich. Wir haben so viel. Ich denke, dass wenn man kommt nach Deutschland, man lernt more Deutsch, dann also in ein Studium oder Klausur, wenn man muss haben eine Erfahrung, es ist noch besser, es ist immer besser. Ich spreche Deutsch und ein bisschen Bavarian, aber Bavarian ist ganz schwierig. Leute, glaubt mir, Bavarian ist ganz schwierig, aber Deutsch ist ganz einfach. Und dann wir können zusammen sprechen noch nächstes Mal bitte. Ja.
So students, ये सब जो चीज़ें होती हैं ना वो आपके अंदर से within आती है. So अगर आप ऐसे student हैं, if you are seeing yourself this as a mirror, then only you should definitely come to TUM, and then only you should come to Germany.
You would imagine me speaking more than ma'am, but I think that coming to Germany, being fluent in English, I think I got myself a pretty good experience, and I was a bit introvert. Now I think I pop out myself in front of everyone, and that's what my director loves, that I speak very frankly, I speak openly, and they are always open to my ideas. And I think that this is the best things that could have happened to me coming to Germany, that now I like to communicate with people across the globe, not only Germans, but many people across the nationality, because they think that they are open to me and I'm open to them as well.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So yes, students, if you're planning to come to Germany, if you wanted to study in TUM, you need to know to whom to contact, and definitely we'll make a timeline for you when we have to do what things. And yes, you will definitely get a very good support from our community. So it is just not that the application or making the visa application or you just coming here. It is about the community, what Amrit Palak Vision is having now in Germany. So stay tuned for that.